Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled vegetables. Pickling is a fantastic way to preserve your favorite produce and add a tangy kick to any meal. It involves submerging vegetables in an acidic brine, usually made with vinegar, water, salt, and sometimes sugar. This method not only extends their shelf life significantly, but also infuses them with incredible flavor. It's a simple process that yields delicious results. Before you begin, gather all your ingredients and equipment. Select fresh, crisp vegetables that are free from blemishes. For the brine, you'll need a good quality vinegar, water, pickling salt, and sugar to balance the flavors. Don't forget your sterilized glass jars and lids, which are crucial for safe storage. A large pot for the brine and measuring tools will also be very helpful. Now let's get to the fun part, the actual pickling process. Start by thoroughly washing and preparing your vegetables. You can slice them, cut them into spears, or leave them whole depending on your preference. Next, prepare your brine by heating the vinegar, water, salt, and sugar until the solids dissolve. Carefully pack your prepared vegetables into the sterilized jars, then pour the hot brine over them, ensuring they are fully submerged before sealing. Once your jars are sealed, let them cool to room temperature before transferring them to the refrigerator. It's best to wait at least 24 hours, or even a few days, before enjoying your pickled creations, as this allows the flavors to fully develop. When stored correctly in the refrigerator, your homemade pickled vegetables can last for several weeks, providing a delicious and convenient snack or side dish. For easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.